would also say that through genetic improvement over the past 30 to 40 years, we have fewer cows in California, we have fewer cows in the United States. Because of the efficiency and the genetic improvement, and this is not GMO, this is genetics, simply taking a bull that's got some value to him and using him more frequently and using him through AI. We've got fewer mother cows in the United States today than we've had since 1951. I think we're at 89 million cows in the United States presently, with about 6 million or 5.5 million in California. But that's a whole lot less than used to be around. So if you got fewer cows belching and passing gas, if you will, I think the efficiency of the cows that we've got has reduced that number, and I think we're working to reduce numbers further to get more efficient production in what we've got. Fewer cows, probably less gas.
So just to clarify this, a cow that's grazing on grass is going to chew and burp more methane than a cow that's sort of eating corn out of a, okay.
There's a little difference between organic and grass-fed as well. We can have grass-fed finishing, but organic beef or organic products in general have to meet some very rigorous standards that are established by USDA. Grass-fed beef does not have to necessarily be organic, and natural beef can be just free of antibiotics and free of hormones. So there's different classifications of the product.
And organic and grass-fed, are those growing segments of the market? Give us a sense of the scale.
Absolutely. There is a growing, and I'm through calling it niche marketing at this point in time, because I think that as consumers, a lot of us have accepted the fact that we want a natural product, no hormones, no antibiotics. We want a grass-fed product, which doesn't necessarily mean that it's organic, but we prefer the taste, we prefer the fact that we know where that animal came from, we got a little history on it. So it is not necessarily a big part of the market now, but I think it's a growing segment of our market, and we accept that, and we'll work accordingly.
But Dave Simon, some research says that if what you eat is more important than what you drive, the fastest way to address climate change is to reduce meat consumption. That's even faster than moving to alternative fuels, which we spend a lot of time here at Climate One talking about.
That's true. I remember a study that said that going vegan has the same effect as switching from a gas hog to a Prius. And it's not just climate change that's an issue. There are many other resource issues. The resources required to raise animal foods. Remember, we're not just talking about beef. Beef represents a small portion of the animal foods consumed in this country. We've got to think about chicken, pork, dairy, eggs, etc. It takes, on average, 5 times as much land to produce animal protein as it does plant protein. It takes 11 times the fossil fuels, and it takes 40 times or more water to produce animal protein than plant protein. So we're seeing a collision between increasing demand for these products and dwindling supply of the scarce natural resources necessary to produce them. And that's a major sustainability problem.